Hi kids!
Wow! Wow!
So many playthings. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4, 5. They are so colorful. Do you know the name of this ball? They are also so cute. Let's learn their names. This is a football. You can also separate them. White color, black color. This is a two-wheeler. It has two wheels. Black color wheels. Red color, yellow color. Do you like it, kids? And this is an eye mask. White color, sky blue color. This is volleyball. Yellow color, white color, sky blue color. And the last one is rugby ball. White color, yellow color, brown color. Now join them again. First one is football.
Wow!
Two-wheeler.
Hiya!
Eye mask.
No.
This is volleyball. Do you know that it is also known as American football? Now keep them aside. Football, rugby ball or American football, volleyball, eye mask, and the last one is two-wheeler. Oh wow, color crayons. Let's learn the colors. Yellow color, green color, purple color, orange color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, brown color. Let's learn alphabets. Oh wow, color pens. Let's learn the colors. Green color, red color, pink color, brown color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, and the last one is sky blue color. Let's learn alphabets. Purple. J. J for jackal. J for also jackfruit. J. Orange. K. K for kangaroo. K for also kite. K. Green. L. L for lotus. L for also lychee. L. Our next color is pink. M. M for mouse. M for also magic. M. Sky blue. N. N for nose. N for also neck. N. Yellow. O. O for octopus. O for also owl. O. Blue. P. P for parakeet. P for also papaya. P. Red. Q. Q for quarter. Q for also question mark. Q. Brown. R. R for rose. R for also robin. R. Now say with me, kids. J K L M N O P Q R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.